What's up, guys? Okay, y'all, today we're going to be doing another Dollar Tree product review. I bought this balloon arch strip and about 5 packs of balloons because I didn't know exactly how many I would need for this project or this product review test. So, I hopefully this is enough. We'll see. But I was curious to see how this worked because I know you already know balloon arches are a thing, and I don't think they're going to go anywhere. I feel like they are, especially if you could do it yourself, an inexpensive way for decorations for any party, not just for birthdays. So I was like, okay, if you could buy this for $1 and it could really get something done, it's worth having. So I will be y'all test dummy yet again and see if this actually works and what all you really need, besides just a strip. So all I have right now is just this strip. So if other things come throughout this video, you already know your girl gonna let you know, hey, you also gonna need this, this, and this. But I'm gonna keep y'all informed. So let's get started. Okay, y'all, open the box, and this how it looks. It's the only thing that's in there. And they also have instructions on the back of how it shall be done. So, we shall see. I know it's going to be hard for you guys to see it, but this is how it looks once you start unraveling it. And it's plastic. This is plastic. It's not adhesive. But I just wanted y'all to get a first glance. And it looks like it's a long strip. Now, I'm not about to use this whole thing, I don't think, but I don't know how much you would need to make an adequate? That don't sound right. A big enough arch. So I'm gonna try to make this bad boy pretty big, guys, but that's a lot, I think. So I have enough balloons, so hey, maybe let's just see how many balloons I can blow. We'll go from there. So let me get this balloon game started. But so far, I'm pleased with it. I thought this was going to be, I'm not going to lie, I thought this was going to be adhesive, and I thought it was going to be like paper. Like, I didn't know what kind of material this was going to be, but it's flimsy, but still. Can y'all see that better? Okay. Okay, I blew up my first balloon, and it's so simple, guys. Once you blow it up, you just literally insert it in the little slit. This is the slit. And just insert. Now, I don't know which way. I don't know if it's supposed to go down or up. I guess after putting like 3 or 4 more, maybe I'll see how the arch is actually being formed. But I'll let you guys know. Maybe it doesn't make a difference, but we'll see. And these are all the balloons. I'm trying to figure out what pattern, even though it's not technically a real party, but it's a party for one. It's a party for me. How about that? So I'm trying to see if there's a pattern or whatever. And then I did get different size balloons. So 12-inch, 9-inch. So, we'll see how this goes, but I just wanted to show you guys that I'm starting. And also, if you're curious, there are 101 slots for balloons. So I would suggest to at least have, 100 balloons on hand or more, if just in case, to see how big this arch is or needed or whatever. But it's 101 slots, guys. I wanted to get back on here to just further explain. When you put the balloon in, you put the bottom part here, then you slide it over so it can catch right there. So hopefully y'all can see it. I don't think y'all gonna see it. And then that kind of locks the balloon in place. It's hard to see it, y'all. Oh my God, maybe right here. Okay, no, you can't. I don't think y'all can see it, but that's how you make sure it locks in place. And this is what I have so far. Really, I'm trying to come up with some form of rhyme and reason. But let me continue. But I just wanted to show y'all that. Put it through and then slide it over and lock it in place. Let me finish because I have a million more to go. Okay, y'all, I know this is not a balloon review, but it's still a Dollar Tree product. And I said I ain't doing no separate review for this. But if y'all ever thought about getting the balloons with the dots on them from Dollar Tree, be warned, because this is what you might get. Now, mind you, yes, it is from Dollar Tree, but oh my God, this quality sucks. Look at these dots. Say if this was a real event and I was counting on these balloons, y'all, nobody want to see that. Thank God this is a fake one. Now, they not all like that. Like, this one don't look so bad. But, like, you know, they're not perfect. But this one is way better than this purple one. This purple one, oh, no, no, no. So, y'all have been warned. Okay, guys. This is how far I have gotten. Look how many, guys. It's taken me 50 years. No, I try to have rhyme and reason. I said trick it, man, because look how much more I have to go. Can y'all see this? Oh my God, it's a lot. I don't think I have enough balloons. I mean, I don't know. It's about, I don't know how many more balloons that is, but that's how much I have left. So yeah. Whew, y'all. But so far, it is going good. Like, nothing have fallen off. And it's staying in place. Now, how we going to form this arch is going to be another thing. But it's almost forming itself. Look. Let me finish. Okay, guys. I finally finished. It literally took me all day, y'all. So now, look how much I have left over. So, I say about 35. Yeah, about 35, but more balloons could be added. But guess what? Trick it. So, I'm going to try to put this bad boy up. And, yeah. But y'all, look, it's really staying together. I'm holding it, moving it. And it almost, like I say, formed its own self, guys. Look, I haven't even started. I'm just pulling it. And it's just forming itself. So, do I recommend this product? So far, it's a definitely yes. A definite. Yeah, a definitely. That just sounds so right. A definite yes. A definite yes. It's a yes, guys. Come on. I'm tired in the mug. I mean, I have blown over, what's that, 80, 90, 80, 70 balloons. Over 70, god dang. Okay, guys, let's try to put this bad boy up. Oh my God, y'all. Do y'all see that it is standing by itself? That is not attached to the wall. Now, my opinion, depending on where your placement would be, you might want to do like, that adhesive tape and maybe put it on a couple of the balloons. But that is standing by itself. It is not hard to put it in that position. Now, mind you, I did not add all the required balloons. It's still, 35 left over. So with them extra balloons, you would get more height. But let me show you how tall it is. I'm 5'2", guys. 5'2 and a half. Yeah. And this is the height I'm getting without the extra balloons, the extra 35. So imagine if you got the extra 35, reposition some of these balloons, it is not attached, it will be over my head. At least, I would say about what, 5'5"? To me, that's a good height. And then you can add other stuff to it. Come on, guys. Okay, guys, I'm going to show you how easy it is. Because I don't think y'all believe me. I'm sorry. Okay. So I already told y'all this is not attached. I'm going to...
So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right.
Now that arch is even higher. Let's go double check again. I think it's higher. I like this arch a lot better. It's more evenly distributed. I can't talk. But it's cute. It gives you the, it's an arch, and since it's all different colors, give you that rainbow effect. You already know you can pick out your own balloons or whatever. Y'all saw how easy that was, y'all. So I did not use anything to attach it with or anything like that. So I'm gonna give you a better look, take you off my tripod, and just show you that just how they're all stacked on each other. But the more you maneuver the different shaped balloons, that's how you can create your arch to look more like an arch. I really am impressed because I thought I was gonna have to use tape. I'm thinking like, okay, where am I gonna attach these balloons to? And it's like, it already forms itself. I am impressed. So here's a closer look for you guys. You see how it's still like it's just simply attached in there. And you just maneuver it. Now, some might pop out. It's so easy just to put it back in there, y'all. So easy. You see how only like a couple is touching the wall. You don't even have that many touching the wall. It's just that one green one. So you can just put that double-sided tape or more. I wouldn't use that because that's real flimsy. But that's the thicker kind. Kind of like that foam tape that's have adhesive on both sides. And even though these dots, like I mentioned earlier, are not perfect, but hey, it's still photo friendly. And there you have it, a closer look, guys. So easy. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. If y'all like this video, go ahead and hook me up with a thumbs up. See you guys next video. I'm about to celebrate myself. How about that? Come on, balloon arch. Yes.